St. Mary, Jamaica, a female security guard was cut down in a gun attack. Greetings, greetings, and salutations, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican. It's Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Help build up the Rastaman panel by hitting that red subscribe button if you have not subscribed as yet. Leave your comment and share the content. The police investigators have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a female security guard after invading her house in Broadgate, St. Mary on Saturday. This is unbelievable. The deceased is 34-year-old Jody Buchanan. Preliminary reports are that sometimes between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Buchanan was also alone at home, and the masked man entered through a back door and opened fire, hitting her several times before fleeing the scene. Residents who heard the loud explosion alerted the police. On their arrival, Buchanan was found bullet-riddled with her body laying on the bed. Her body was removed to the morgue pending post-mortem investigation. Ladies and gentlemen, no motive has been established by the police, but I going to tell you the motive. Our man, our ex-man, our baby father, you are going to see. This is the motive operandi right away. Me don't solve the crime from you. Tell me, him enter through the back door. How him know the back door open? How him know if he find the back door? Don't nobody enter through the back door if them don't know you. Bullet-riddled body. Did she get robbed? No, she probably a dash out or run with the idiot boy. Me I tell you right now, it's her man, her ex-man, or her baby father. Ladies and gentlemen, me nah go no softer, me I go harder. These men hate women, especially Jamaican men. I'm reporting here a young woman, a female security guard, 34-year-old Jody Buchanan, has been taken from us prematurely. The preliminary reports are showing here that about 8 p.m. or around 9, Buchanan was alone at her house. A masked man entered through the back door. Me don't know how them know him did mask up if she did it by herself and she get quanked. But they're saying that he opened fire and hit her several times and fled the scene. Her body was found laying on the bed. So that means that somebody when it really want her dead. Ladies and gentlemen, yours on her head. Nobody now go to no woman back door. If I know the man, when did I touch her? Touch her softly or hardly. Now him touch her with some petrol and she's not going to rise into the security place and become a veteran. It's unfortunate. She has been cut down by a masked man. St. Mary not good again. It's unbelievable. Subscribe, leave your comment, let me know what can we do to make Jamaica safe again. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm more life, I'm more joy, and I'm more happiness. You stay blessed, ladies and gentlemen.
Greetings in the name of the Most High, Jah Rastafari. You know I'm Rastafari Soldier. Yes, and I'm here full joy in a red striped beard in the center of Santa Cruz Square. Wish you was here. Yo, subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment. Yes, I wish you was here. Big up all my friends and family. Oh, cause you honor me. More life, more joy, more happiness.